Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fabulous day today. It is currently 20 to 2. Market is opening in about 50 minutes. So yeah, I hope we have a good day. However, the market is looking rather red. Another red pre-market. This is still just the correction that we keep banging on about. So nothing to worry. It just means everything is discounted, fire sale on everything, especially the stock we are going to be talking about today. Before we carry on, I'd like to remind you I'm a university student and not a financial advisor, so you need to do your own due diligence on all these stocks. These stocks are battlefields. We can only help you identify the battlefields. We can't fight it for you. So with that being said, take everything with a grain of salt, and yeah, make sure if you enjoy, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think of Hcmc. And in further news, we now have our Discord. So a few people have been asking this, and yeah, the link will be down below. So make sure you get at it. Right, so what is happening? So Hcmc, they're a vape company that provide vaping liquid. They've got multiple vape stores. I believe they've got 9 in Southern Florida, Southern America, something like, yeah, Southern Florida. So they're a big vape company. Now what has happened? So they are currently in the middle of a lawsuit, as I'm sure you all know. This lawsuit was originally filed back in November 2020, but it's now kind of gained traction due to Reddit penny stocks and due to posts on Reddit, which is hyping up this stock. As we always say, where there's hype, there is inflation. You follow? So because of this lawsuit, they are speculating they can win. Like they're speculating Hcmc will be able to win this lawsuit, due to the fact it's claiming that PM Philip Morris have infringed on its patent 170 with its IQOS tobacco vapor product. So essentially, they put through a patent, and yeah, it's just been copied. So that is what this whole lawsuit is over, and if Hcmc win this, then it will cause, like, there's nothing bad that comes from causing or from winning this lawsuit. They can get money, they can get all sorts from it. Now what is actually happening? So today, Philip Morris and their lawyers have put through a motion of dismissal. Now, for those of you who don't know what a motion of dismissal is, it's essentially just a neutral thing. So a lawyer on the defending side will put through this motion of dismissal to try and go, yeah, we don't need to be here anymore. There's no point in doing this. No one, yeah, just chuck it out of the court and try and forget about it, because PM do not need this bad press. So because of that, I cannot see the judges passing this, due to the data which is suggesting Hcmc will win this lawsuit. And companies won't just throw in a motion of dismissal if they feel they're going to win. Because if they feel they're going to win, then, like, or say if Philip Morris thought they were going to win this case, they wouldn't have filed for a motion of dismissal, they would have filed for a counterclaim. Now a counterclaim is basically saying, no, kind of you, in a sense, and just hitting them with a reverse on it. That hasn't happened. So Philip Morris, in a sense, is kind of declaring guilt under, like, without actually going, I'm guilty. They just want it out of the courts. They don't need the bad press. Now, if the judge doesn't pass this, which I cannot see them doing, this will then mean that a settlement has to be reached. Now, this settlement can go one of two ways. Hcmc will get money. They will be getting money from this. Now with that money, they can acquire, there can be new acquisitions, their subsidiaries, everything. They just have more spending. What else could happen? Now there have been lots of rumours about the fact that Philip Morris may actually try and buy out Hcmc. They might try and buy out healthier choices. Now, if that happens, we can and you will see this stock boom. I don't know whether it will happen, it's only rough speculation, but that is a potentiality in the long run. So, as we can see here, this stock, the only reason this stock is red at the moment is because of the whole market being red. As I keep saying in my videos, when the market bleeds, everything bleeds. Good buys bleed, bad buys bleed. And because of that, if you can identify the good buys, then in the long run, you're going to be in profit. Now, do I think, as you can see, do I think this is going to hit $1? Personally, no. But am I the stock market? No, I'm not. And as I say with the stock market, the highs will go higher than you think and the lows will go lower than you think. So no one knows what the stock market is going to do. However, can I see this hitting between 20 and 40 cents? Yes, I can. But again, that's just from the end of this lawsuit. If PM come in and try and buy Hcmc, then this stock could hit $1 to $2, and this could see just ridiculous growth from where it is now. So back some time, there was a company called UAVS, and they were a very similar kind of in a very similar position. They weren't going through a lawsuit or anything, but a very similar price, and they ended up going to $10-15. So it's possible, and I'm not saying it's not possible, and this could be a once-in-a-lifetime home run, slam, out the park, whatever you want to name it as. So, as a kind of, if you want to class me as an analyst, I would just say hold / buy, essentially. I think at the moment, this price is ridiculously good, as in, it's still under 1 cent a share. It's a ridiculously good buy at the moment, I think. As you can see here, the RSI is verging on oversold. So, as we say, RSI is anything under 30 is oversold, anything under 30 is oversold, anything over 70 is overbought. As we can see here, it's currently at 32. So this is bordering on oversold. So this is a really, really good point to buy in. And I can, in the looser sense of the word, see this stock going to the moon. So, with all that said, I hope all of you take care. Remember, look after your portfolio and your portfolio will look after you. Once again, make sure you like, subscribe, let us know what we can do better to help you guys out. And until the next time, take care.